Windows are a crucial element of any home, providing light, ventilation, and a view of the outdoors. In Houston, where the weather can be unpredictable and the summer heat is relentless, windows also play a significant role in keeping your home energy efficient and comfortable. Over time, however, even the best quality windows can deteriorate. If you're wondering whether it's time to replace your windows, there are several signs you can look for that suggest a replacement may be necessary. Here's a guide to help you identify when it's time for new windows in your Houston home. Increased energy bills. If you notice a sudden spike in your energy bills, it could be due to inefficient windows. Houston's hot summers can make it difficult to maintain a cool home, and old or worn-out windows are often a major culprit. Windows that no longer seal properly allow air to leak in or out of your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This results in higher energy costs. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can help you save money on your utility bills by improving insulation and reducing the strain on your air conditioning unit. Drafts and uneven temperatures. Drafts are one of the clearest signs that your windows need attention. If you can feel a noticeable draft coming through your windows, even when they are closed, it means the seals or frames have failed, allowing air to enter from outside. This not only makes your home uncomfortable, especially in the summer and winter, but it can also make it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. If you're experiencing cold spots near your windows in the winter or excessive heat in the summer, it's a sign that your windows may need to be replaced to restore comfort to your home. Visible damage or wear. Inspect your windows for visible damage, such as cracks, chips, or broken panes. In Houston, the combination of intense sun, humidity, and occasional storms can take a toll on windows, leading to deterioration over time. Even if the damage seems minor, it's essential to address it sooner rather than later, as cracks and chips can grow over time, compromising the structural integrity of the window. If the frames are warped, rotting, or corroding, replacement may be necessary to ensure the continued safety and energy efficiency of your home. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows are difficult to open, close, or locked, it could be a sign of wear and tear. Over time, the components that allow windows to open and close smoothly can become worn out, misaligned, or jammed. This not only makes it harder to enjoy fresh air when you want it but can also be a safety hazard in case of an emergency. Additionally, windows that don't close properly might not be able to effectively seal out outdoor air, further impacting your home's energy efficiency. In such cases, replacing the window may be the best option to restore ease of use and efficiency. Excessive noise from outside. If you're hearing more noise from outside than you used to, it might be time to replace your windows. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass, provide less sound insulation than newer, more energy-efficient models. In a city like Houston, where traffic noise and other urban sounds can be constant, you'll want windows that can help block out unwanted noise. Newer windows, such as double or triple pane models, can provide significant soundproofing benefits, helping to create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Condensation between window panes. Condensation or fog between the panes of your windows is a common sign that the seals have failed. This usually occurs in double or triple pane windows, which are designed to provide insulation by creating a barrier of air or gas between the panes. When the seal breaks, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to condensation. Not only does this look unsightly, but it also indicates that your windows are no longer providing the insulation they once did. If you notice condensation that can't be wiped away, it's time to consider a window replacement. Home's curb appeal is suffering. Windows are a key aesthetic element of your home's exterior. If your windows have become faded, cracked, or outdated, they can detract from your home's curb appeal. Replacing old, worn-out windows with newer, more modern models can enhance the look of your home and increase its value. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a fresh look, new windows can make a significant difference in how your home is perceived from the outside. Conclusion: your windows play an essential role in keeping your home comfortable, safe, and energy efficient. If you've noticed any of the signs listed above, it may be time to consider replacing your windows in Houston. Not only can new windows improve your home's energy efficiency, but they can also boost your comfort, security, and curb appeal. If you're unsure whether it's time to replace your windows, consult a professional window contractor who can assess the condition of your windows and recommend the best course of action. Replacing your windows can be a significant investment, but it's one that can pay off in long-term savings and enhanced home value.